So here's very cool app if you're interested in learning music. It's a paid app, however, it's very cheap price, just $3. And then theory lessons features 39 music theory lessons from musictheory.net presented in their original animated versions. You can see the complete lessons list, the stuff like note duration, measures, time signature, rest duration, dots and ties, steps and accidentals. So yeah, all of these things if you're just interested in learning music. So then you can just go here and learn that. So yep, something like that, and then can just see pocket-sized animated music lessons, and then yeah, just go to musictheory.net, and then you can just get this app, or there is another app called Tenuto, creating theory and breaking practice. So this is another app. I don't know. So this one is also like paid. So this one costs like $4.99. So yeah, pretty cool website and app to learn music. If you haven't checked it out before, just go and give it a try.